If you want to hide apps from the home screen and app drawer on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26, you can do it using built-in One UI settings. No third-party apps required. This is perfect for hiding private or rarely used apps on your Samsung phone. Here's how to hide apps on the Galaxy S26 series. Cell phone hide apps from home screen and app drawer. First, go to your home screen and tap and hold on any empty area. Then tap the Settings gear icon at the bottom. Scroll down and tap Hide Apps on Home and Apps screens. You'll now see a list of all installed apps on your device. Select the apps you want to hide. For example, I'll select Calculator and Google Chrome. After selecting, tap Done at the top. Now those apps are hidden. They won't appear on your home screen or in the app drawer. Eyes. How to unhide apps. If you want to restore hidden apps, follow the same steps. Tap and hold on an empty area of the home screen. Tap the Settings gear icon. Open Hide Apps on Home and Apps screens. At the top, you'll see your hidden apps. Tap the minus icon on any app you want to unhide. Then tap Done. The app will return to your app drawer and home screen. That's how you hide and unhide apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, and S26 using built-in One UI features.